Some time ago, forecasts appeared in the media regarding 2020 and the new planetary cycle, when all the planets of the solar system gather in one angular sector. Such an event usually provokes various civil strife on the Earth, for example, war, revolution. Epidemics and disasters are also not uncommon. According to the forecasts of astrologers, for our planet the real test will be July 4th. On this day, all the planets line up almost in one line. Of course, it will not be perfectly smooth, but the deviation will be so minimal that such an event has not happened in the entire history of modern mankind. One can only remember 1982, when celestial bodies gathered on one side of the Sun inside an arc of 95 degrees. Astronomers knew about this event for several years, so frightening books, for example, The Jupiter Effect, were published. In a book written by astrophysicists John Grobin and Stephen Pligman in 1974, it was stated that aligning the planets would lead to devastating earthquakes on our planet. Awakening of Yellowstone or 9 points on the Richter scale in the San Andreas Fault area is not excluded. All assumptions in the material were supported by scientific facts and theories. The main arguments are the effect on the lithosphere of gravity drops, changes in electromagnetic fields and magnetic storms. In 1982, the worst predictions did not come true. However, volcanic activity increased many times. Volcanoes raged for a decade. It is worth highlighting such events as the war in Afghanistan, the Chernobyl explosion, the fall of the USSR, etc. It is terrible to imagine what will happen on the planet, given that this time the planets will line up in a more even line. We can only wait. In the few months of 2020, as many events have happened as in the last couple of years, so it is difficult to imagine what kind of trials humanity will suffer.